लाहौर हाई कोर्ट का फैसला, वाइस चेयरमैन पंजाब बार कौंसिल एंड अदर्स वर्सेस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब एंड अदर्स, रिट पिटिशन नंबर 19469/201। मिस्टर जस्टिस शाहिद करीम साहब ने इस केस को सुना। द कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर पंजाब अमेंडेड ऑर्डिनेंस 2021 वाज imposed and published in the Punjab Gazette on 10 फरवरी को सीपीसी का अमेंडेड जो है ना वो ऑर्डिनेंस जो है वो नाफज किया गया और पंजाब गजट में उसको पब्लिश किया गया। द पिटिशनर contending that ordinance is ultra vires the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 as it offends the provision of the Constitution and thus the promulgation is called by vice of unconstitutionality कि ये 1973 के आइन की रूह के ख़िलाफ़ है। अब इसमें इशू क्या था? What the ordinance making power of the governor may be judged by the test applicable to determine the validity of executive acts, whether Prime Minister can issue a direction to provincial government to make law, what is the nature of rule making power of High Court in CPC कि ये इशू थे जी। Although the ordinance making power is legislative, but it must not be forgotten that the power vests in the political executive. Therefore, it should be judged by the test applicable to determine the validity of executive test. The challenge to the amended ordinance is therefore bifurcated into various grounds, the first of which entails that since the ordinance is an executive act and so it is its legality or otherwise must be considered on the touchstone of the principles of administrative law relating to executive acts such as illegality, irrationality and procedural impropriety. ये जो है बेसिकली वैलिडिटी ऑफ एग्जेक्टिव एक्ट्स की इसमें बात की गई है। The executive authority of the federation extend to the givings of such direction to province as may appear to the federal government to be necessary, namely the executive authority of a province is being exercised to impede or prejudice the exercise of the executive authority of the federation. Clause 3 and 4 of Article 149 enumerate circumstances under which direction may be issued to the provinces. In none of these are comprised the circumstances under which a direction to make a law may be given by the federal government. To reiterate, the direction may only relate to the exercise of the executive authority of the federation and in no other case. The direction of the Prime Minister to make law to the province offends the mandate of Article 149 and unconstitutional. यानी कि ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास ये इख्तियार नहीं था। Ordinance making power of the governor may be adjudicated by the test applicable to determine the validity. Prime Minister cannot issue a direction to provincial government. Prime Minister provincial government को नहीं कर सकता डायरेक्शन कि कोई कानून बनाए और इस हवाले से कोई ऑर्डिनेंस जारी नहीं कर सकता। The exercise of rule making power is constitutional which rests with the High Court. हाई कोर्ट के ये इख्तियारात हैं कि वो उसके पास पावर है कि वो रूल बनाए। ये जनाब कंक्लूजन था इसका और इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।